germinating seeds faster with paper towel method, and also how to test seeds. Hello, welcome to 7 Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, so today I'm gonna show you how I have started my seeds with paper towel method, and also a good way to check and see to test your seeds. So let's get started. So I started my seeds about 5 days ago. So I did a paper towel method with this. As you can see, when I did it, after about 2 days, the seeds had not germinated, started germinating. So I just left it there, and I completely forgot to check it again. So it's been 5 days now. And as you can see, I think I left it too long because most of these other ones have germinated and they're also already producing tiny leaves. And these other ones are still, these are peppers. So the different seeds have different germination periods. Some seeds germinate a lot faster than others. So usually pepper takes a lot longer to germinate than other regular seeds. And so that's why it's sometimes you can use it to check and see if the seeds are viable before you plant them into your garden. So you do the paper towel method. I have a detailed instruction on how to do the paper towel method with a video that I have. I'll put a link to that video in the description below. You can follow that step by step how to do the paper towel method. It's very simple, very easy to do. All you need is water, hydrogen peroxide, paper towel, and a plastic bag to do it. So by doing this, I'm able to at least speed up the germination process, and I'm gonna be able to get my seedling started a lot faster, and also gonna start at least planting and getting some results a lot faster too. So I did do the paper towel method for both of these, and this is garden eggs. It's come out, it's been 5 days, and I'll say 95% of the seeds have either sprouted or germinated. They are ready to be transplanted into containers. Meanwhile, the other one, the pepper, has not. The pepper has not germinated. Not a single one has germinated. So sometimes it might be the seeds. Sometimes it might be the seeds are not good anymore. They are bad seeds. So I'll give this one about 2 more days. If it doesn't germinate in about maximum 2 days, then I will know that the seeds are bad, because usually by this time it should have germinated already. So if it's not, then I'll have to do new ones, because I'll know that the seeds are bad, and then I don't have to. At least it saves me the headache of planting the seeds and waiting 3 weeks, 1 month to find out that the seeds are not viable. So that's how you test. You can do this method, or you can do the soaking method, depending on the type of seeds that you have. Like I said, I have a video that shows you various ways how to germinate your seeds faster. I'll put a link in the description. Check it out, and hopefully that helps you. Also, let me know in the comments below if you've started planting. I know some people it's too early for them right now, but some other areas, people have already started seed starting indoors. And I also have a couple of videos that shows you, if you don't have a greenhouse or a mini greenhouse, you can use the plastic containers and other things that you have already to make a mini greenhouse and start your seeds. I have a couple of videos that shows you how to make mini greenhouse with plastic container, shelf, and on just some regular plastic, and you can start your seeds indoors and give you a good head start for your seed germination. And by that way, it would help you get your seeds going and be able to start planting and harvesting in no time. So let me know in the comments below if you've started your seeds indoors already and what location you're in. I'm in the Boston area, Massachusetts, and even though it's still very cold outside, snow and ice, but I'm doing this indoors, and then later on I'll transplant it into my small grow tent, and then after that, then I'll move it to my greenhouse outside. Hopefully by April, I'll move it to the greenhouse outside, where I make a little shelf. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.